Michael Jordan, who is undoubtedly one of the greatest basketball players to ever. He stayed in the game long enough to be that great, to develop those skills and develop in himself enough to be really, really good. Interestingly, if you watch documentaries and things on him, you'll see that Tim Grover was his trainer. As his trainer, the first thing that he worked on with Michael Jordan was not him shooting the ball, perfecting his three-point, or perfecting his dunk, or perfecting how he passed the ball, all the things that he does really well, but that's not the first thing his trainer worked on with him. The first thing he worked on actually was his foundation. And his foundation meaning, how do we prevent injuries? Because those injuries are the things that would debilitate his career, would hinder him, would prevent him from going on and being as great as he was.